Black's objective here is to make a living shape, and the result will be very, very interesting. So the first move will have to be right here. This is threatening to connect back. White must play on the outside. Otherwise, black can cut here first, forcing white to capture, and this becomes a connection problem for black, which I cover in chapter 6 of this book. So this will be a very standard technique in that chapter. Black will be able to connect. Note that white cannot cut here because white cannot come in at number 8. So this way, number 6 will be sacrificed. That's why number 2 must be here. Now what happens will be really fascinating. Black cannot play on the inside because white can make this into a bulky 5 shape very easily, and black will not be able to find an extra real eye on the outside. Black also cannot play here because white will just connect here, and this will also be a bulky 5 shape, not a seki, because there's only one mutual liberty. So the correct answer for black is actually to play right here, threatening to build an extra eye here on the outside. And what's happening now is that white must play here number 4. Otherwise, black will have another real eye, in addition to the bulky 5. So this way, black will live very easily. But after number 4, black must throw in here. Otherwise, again, white will make this bulky 5 shape. Black throws in, white will capture. And now, black captures again. And we're back to the previous pattern. Before, white's number 4. And this will be a very special kind of ko. Right here. If you run into this in real games, it might be called a draw. Or you can ask the referees how to count this type of situation. Or you can have a ko, meaning before you repeat a certain pattern, you have to play elsewhere and find the so-called ko threads. But most likely, this will lead to a very rare draw in a game of Go. Overall, very neat pattern. Make sure you know what's going on here. And please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.